She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video, and today I'm super excited to say that I will be installing these carbon fiber side skirts. As you can see how that light just reflects right off of them. They are looking super nice. The weaves are looking great. The pattern is super consistent. I did get these side skirts from Ikon Motorsports. You can see that. I will leave a link down in the description. These are pretty easy to install. It's just some screws and that's it. Let's get right into installing these side skirts. First step you gotta do is jack up the vehicle. I do it on the rear. To me, I found it more easier, and I found a spot where you can put the jack or it won't bug the side skirts. And when you put down the car, it won't break the side skirts as well. You can take off the wheel too if you like, but you don't have to. It just gives you more space. On a completely different side note, I want to thank you guys for allowing me to reach 1,000 subscribers. This is actually insane. I can't believe that my channel has that many subscribers, views, likes, and comments, and all that stuff. I want to thank you guys for allowing me to get that number, get that goal, get that milestone. I appreciate you guys 100%. I will do a giveaway. I still have no clue on what I want to give away. If you guys want to help, put a comment down below or hit me up on Instagram and let me know what you guys want. Thank you guys again for 1,000 subscribers. To get started with the installation on the side skirts, you do have to remove a couple things. There's 3 10mm bolts on the rear. I use a 1/4 inch ratchet with a 10mm socket. I found it more easier because it's smaller and it's pretty tight. That's why if you want more space, you can remove the wheel, but it is unnecessary. You don't need that much space. With the 1/4 inch ratchet, you should be fine. Now moving to the front of the vehicle, it's way more easier. All you have is one 10mm bolt and a clip. Once you take off that 10mm bolt, there's a clip under that bolt. You got to remove it with panel popper or any pocket screwdriver that you have. Also be careful because you can break that clip. I unfortunately broke this side of the clip. On the driver's side I didn't break it, but just be careful, you know, pry it out slowly. But once it's broken, so you just gotta poke it out. They're probably super cheap at the dealership. They're probably like $5 or something like that, but you know, be careful. Try to take them out with caution. You don't want to be breaking things anyways. Now it's the important part, time to install the side skirts. Yo, huge shout out to Corolla Hatchback on Instagram. Big thanks to this guy. He's always helped me on my car, you know, without no questions asked. I appreciate that. He's been a great help on me getting to 1,000 subscribers. So big thanks to this guy too. He's been there. He's been helping me on my car, you know, using his own time. Huge shout out to him. Go follow him on Instagram. Show him some love on his Miata build. It was like super clean. But if you do have a buddy to help you hold the side skirt up, that'll be really useful. If you don't, you can use like a wood block or something to hold it up while you put on the side skirt. Once the side skirt is on, it's hard to fall off. You just gotta force it in there a little bit. It sounds like it's gonna break, but it doesn't. It makes the sound of a clip, like when you clip it in, it just snaps in there. You should be fine, no need to worry about it. Ikon Motorsports does supply you with some self-tap screws. You do want to adjust it as you go. Sometimes the side skirt moves a little bit. You want to align it before you put it on, and as you're moving along, putting on the self-tapping screws. It does shift a little bit, so you just gotta, just fine tune it. If you'd like, you can put some 3M tape. It is not necessary, but it will give you an extra sense of security. Make sure you don't go too hard on those screws because it can crack the carbon fiber, which you don't want to do. Just go snug and a little bit past snug. Luckily, this Milwaukee impact driver has a function where once it stops, so you don't have to worry about breaking anything. You can go manually, you can do it with a regular screwdriver if you like, but that takes some time. We're lazy out here, we want to do it quick and efficiently. So for the very last hole, you do use the 10mm bolt that was on the car already, so you are using some OEM equipment, but that's good, so you can have some OEM equipment still on the car. You don't have to worry about losing that bolt or anything. I just use a 1/4" ratchet and 10mm bolt. Make sure you go soft with this ratchet, you can break it easily. Just so you know, when it's tight, there is a little bit of wiggle if it's not all the way tight, so just keep going to the point where it doesn't wiggle anymore. As you can see in the video, I will do it. And that's it. That's how you install side skirts. For the most part, if you guys get different side skirts, this is going to be the same thing. It only has self-tapping screws, maybe some OEM equipment. There's only 3 main tools that you actually need. You just need the jack stand, and the ratchet with the 10mm socket. It's super simple. This is probably the easiest DIY I've done on my channel, but it's probably the cleanest. I love the way the side skirt looks. They are kind of pricey, but they look amazing. You can get the regular matte black or the gloss black side skirts, but Ikon Motorsports is known for their high quality carbon fiber, so I do recommend to get these side skirts. I'm not sponsored by them in any such way, but I do love their products. I will leave links down in the description to everything I use, the tools, the jack stand, the jack, the side skirts, of course. I will be doing more videos in the future. The next video I do have coming up is the rear view mirror. I have a sequential LED strip. It's pretty cool. Just to be careful with that side skirt. I was kind of nervous because it does make your car a little bit lower, so you don't want to break those side skirts. Once again, would just like to give you guys thanks for watching this video, subscribing to my channel, commenting, liking, and supporting my channel in general. I appreciate you guys 100%. This is just some before and after. I'll give you guys some better shots. Until next time, guys, catch you on the next video.